what I want us to do is write a letter.
I made this heart for my dad.
Now this can be to anyone who we want to appreciate. Salam alaikum, Dad.
Alhamdulillah, you are my parents. You make sure I am happy and safe.
I know I don't tell you often, but I really love you.
My dad is my hero. He gives us all the things we want.
If you're gonna appreciate someone, you should try to be specific.
Envelope. I have write, I love you so much, Dad. I love so much when you take me to swimming pool. Dear Zahir Baji, I haven't seen you in a while forever. Will you hug me the next time I see you? Dear Mommy.
It means so much when you give me advice.
Thank you for making such delicious food for us. Thank you for being the best mom ever.
I know it is tiring. You never stop. I love you.
Love, Jenna.
And then I'm gonna put the date so that way I can remember.
July 13th.
Signed, Amin.